Good afternoon. This is John McNally from McNally Yacht Sales. We're down here on a Beneteau 46. We're dropping down a new main halyard. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. You can see this Beneteau. It's pretty darn nice. It is for sale. We got a guy up there dropping down a little line so we can pull the halyard through. Hopefully it'll work. But that's what you do, is you tie some weights onto a string, drop it from the top, fish it out from one of those mast openings, and then you pull the halyard through. And that's what we do here at McNally Yacht Sales. Get in the boat, ready to go. Another beautiful day in Florida. John McNally signing off.